Hello everyone, welcome to TechBro. What if I told you that you could change your location without actually moving? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore, because now you can do it super easily with an amazing software called PogoSkill. With PogoSkill, you can freely modify your GPS location on mobile devices and even set custom movement routes. Whether you're using an Android device or playing location-based games like Monster Hunter Now, or especially Pokémon Go, this tool works perfectly. And yes, it even comes with a powerful Pokémon Go Joystick feature that makes gameplay smoother and way more fun. If you want to try it out, I've added the download link in the video description. Go check it out! Once you click the link and install the PogoSkill software, you'll see the main dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is that you can instantly modify your GPS location on your mobile device. To get started, click on the disclaimer button, then hit Start. Now, connect your mobile device to your PC using a data cable. After that, your current location will appear on both your PC and your mobile screen. On the top left, you'll see a search bar where you can type in any location. On the top right, there are different modes you can use: single spot mode, multi-spot mode, joystick mode, and jump teleport mode. We'll go through each one step by step. Let's start with the basics. If I type Dubai in the search bar and click Start to modify, you can see my location instantly changes to Dubai. Now let's try Paris. And there we go, my location has moved to Paris. So as you can see, it's super easy to change your location to anywhere in the world. Italy, Japan, Korea, and many more. Now, let's move on to the single spot mode. With this, you can travel from one spot to another just like in real life. Simply select 2 points on the map. Choose your settings such as round trip or one-way, and then set the travel speed. It could be walking, cycling, riding a motorcycle, or even driving a car. Once you hit Start, the journey begins, and the software automatically covers the route. You can also pause or stop at any time. Next, let's look at multi-spot mode. With this option, you can select multiple points on the map, and PogoSkill will automatically travel through them one by one, both on your PC and in your game. Just choose your spots, set the travel speed, hit Start, and the journey begins. Now the most exciting one, the Pokémon Go Joystick mode. This feature is a total game changer. It lets you control your in-game movement freely, just like using a real game controller. Simply enable the joystick, set your speed, and move in any direction you want. Your character in Pokémon Go instantly follows, making it much easier to catch rare Pokémon, hatch eggs, and explore new areas without physically moving. Finally, we have the Jump Teleport mode. With this, you can pick different locations on the map, and the software will instantly jump from one spot to another. If you want, you can even jump back to your previous location with a single click. And that's it. As you can see, PogoSkill makes it super easy to change your location anywhere in the world. Whether you want to explore new areas in Pokémon Go using the joystick or simply test routes for other location-based apps, this tool has everything you need. The download link is in the description, so definitely check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.